Welcome back, friends. Let's see one more database scenario today. Let me share my screen. So hope you guys are able to see my screen. Now this scenario is like this. We will face this kind of scenario also quite frequently in our day-to-day transformation. So there may be some columns coming from database or some source. So the value contains the information, the column 0, some BNAPython, some column 1, column 2, something like that. So this value contains internally two parts. One is the key and value. The entire value contains that value, key and value pairs. So first three characters is the key and rest of the other characters is value. If you see BNA is a key and Python is a value. BNO is a key and this number is a value, something like that. This is the expected output. So what we need to do is we need to iterate over this payload. We need to process the payload and we need to generate this output. Okay. So let me write a database transformation for this. So we need to iterate each and every field in a object, JSON object. For that, map object is the appropriate operator of function. Okay. Payload map object, and I'm just checking if you want to take the index of the string, it should not be empty. If the last thing is empty, if you try to get the index, we will get error. So therefore, what I'm doing, I put a condition over here. If value not equal to empty, or else you can use empty function also. Then I'm opening else, I'm writing null. Instead of null, I'm putting right. Now, what I'm doing is now I'm writing this condition over here. So the key is actually first three letters of the value, right? So I'm just taking the value. Initially I'm taking both key and value as a value. I will right now I'm just put both sides value. Now what I want to do is for key side I take only first three characters and value side I take the rest of the characters. So for key side 0 to 2. See 0 index 0 1 2. I got only 3, right? On the value side 3 to the last one. Last one index we can get via -1. -1 is the last character index. 3 to -1. So this is the expected output. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in another scenario next time. Thank you.